Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here with Cozmo and a new product from Hexnub, the lifting kit for Anki Cozmo. Let's have a look at here the front of the package. And this is the back. It is reversible. So it says here, reversible pallet enables Cozmo to carry objects up to 40 grams. That's more than 12 Lego men, because the back of the pallet, as you can see, you can fit Lego blocks or Lego mini figurines. Then they say designed for discovery mode. That's a little typo here because it's explorer mode, not discovery mode in Cozmo. So that's something that could be updated next time they do the packaging. So let's open this thing here. There's a sticker here at the bottom. So let's open this and see what we have. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is on Amazon.com. I got that for $15 US. So it's reasonable pricing in my opinion. Like anything between 10 and 15 for Cozmo or Vector accessories make sense. So I'll just put this aside over there. So this is our reversible pallet. So you can see here H and then the Lego part. I'm not sure if the H is for Hexnub, the company name, or helicopter pad. I'm not sure, but this is it here. And we have the fork, and there's nothing else in here. So we have the fork over here, right there. You can see the fork there. And Cozmo is now sleeping because he's too noisy and he moves around. But we're going to wake him up in a minute to try something. So here, this, first time I tried this, guys, so this goes, I took a few seconds to look at the package more carefully, and as you can see, they do show here to remove the existing fork on Cozmo, and I just did that. So that's easy to remove because as you can see here, I'll try to see that, to look at that closely. There is a notch on both sides of the fork. So with the fork on, you just pry your nails under here on the side and it removes very easily. There are screws here for the main fork, but this is just a tight fit. So I'll put this aside. So once you remove the stock Cozmo fork, then you can install these ones, and I'll try to show that to you here. They go in here and then you push hard and listen. They snap in place just like that. And we have our pallet. As you can see here, it's the right size for a micro drone. I have one right here. Look at that. It fits right there. So I may actually do a video just for fun, trying to land, but it's very small. I am good flying drones. I don't know if you saw my videos on drone footage, but this is very small. But still, that would be fun. And if you reverse like we saw the pallet, then you can fit they say on the package up to 12, right? Up to 12 mini figurines, but you won't put 12, but there you go. They fit like perfectly. Now let's wake up our friend Cozmo here. So I'll take my phone, open the Cozmo app. Strictly speaking, Cozmo should be on the charger. He needs power. So we have our buddy awake. We'll put the charger away over there. We'll put him over here. Yes, buddy. And I'll put the pallet over here and we'll go to Explorer mode. This is an easy mode here to move Cozmo around. And we see here what Cozmo sees. He sees the the back of the bad guy. I forgot his, it's a trooper, but I forgot the exact name of that mini figurine. So now we can of course turn. I should move the pallet up a bit here. I'll move the pallet up a little bit. There you go. And he has no problem whatsoever. Yes, buddy. And oh, you have the pallet and you feel the view. Let's go higher maybe, or lower. Yeah, maybe like, yeah. And now we can move forward. I explore, like, whoa, stop, back up. You're going to damage my camera. We'll go to Code Lab so that Cozmo doesn't move around. And we'll go into the constructor mode here, and we'll just open a new project. You could go also with Cozmo says, but I'm so used to going to the to the code lab over here. So I'm just going to have actions, and I'll have Cozmo says something funny here. I just turned Cozmo here facing the Millennium Falcon, and I entered in code lab, or you could do that in Cozmo says, a sentence that we're going to use now for Cozmo to say.
Han Solo, surrender or we will destroy your ship.
There's a lot you can do with this kit here, like we just saw. I can just imagine the number of sketches that people would come up with. Maybe I'll do something also with this palette, and like I said also before, with the drone. So guys, this Hexnub...
I am your father.
Cozmo, what did you just say?
Daniel, I am your father.
Oh, whoa, just a second, Cozmo. I was born before you, so you're gonna be my father. You read too much Star Wars stories, my friend. So guys, very, very nice product for like $15, really. Lifting kit by Hexnub. Highly recommended. There is so much fun you can have with this. Like I said, sketches. It's like endless, the possibilities that you can have with Cozmo and this new accessory. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.